Cybrosys is a software development company which is located in Kinfra Techno Industrial Park, that too in Calicut. We specialize in Odoo ERP solutions. We also do implementation as well as customization plus app development in Odoo. Is that all about Cybrosys? Let me explain in detail. Cybrosys is growing. We have 15 plus years of experience. We are now a family of 300 plus Cybrosians. We have served 160 plus countries. We have 3,000 plus happy customers. We have around 100% growth every year. We are the author of OpenHRMS and Gorilla. Now, let's take a break from the serious talk and move on to entertainment. At Cybrosys, we have a very open workspace, which means you don't have a fixed seat. You can work from the relaxing couches, from the napping area, from the cafe, wherever you want. As I said before, ours is an open workspace, and at times when we get client calls, it might be difficult. Just a minute, guys. Are you tired of working? No problem, we have some board games for you. So we have games like this memory chess, normal chess, Monopoly. Just a minute. I'm asleep there. What to do, guys? At times, this happens. So let's keep the board games aside. We have a napping area to avoid such situations. So you can take a power nap there, you can work from there as well. Yellow, so I didn't get it. So this is one among the board games I was talking about. This is the memory chess. We don't only have this memory chess, we have chess, Monopoly, dominoes and so much more. So we used to come here and play during our break times. Now I'm gonna take you to my personal favorite area. It's not my personal favorite alone. Every Cybrosian loves to spend their time in this area. So let me take you to our cafe cum play area. I'm really tired and hungry, so I ordered for a burger. I hope my burger is here. Yeah, it's here. Thank you. So here's my yummy burger. Before having it, let me say some more things. Here at Cybrosys, we have a lot of breakfast options, including our burgers, sandwiches, plus much more. So I'll talk to you after having it. Here at Cybrosys, we have a lot of events. We not only entertain the employees, but also educate them. So now let's take the education part. On every Saturdays, here we have a coding competition, which we call as Clash of Codes. So after the competition, we even declare the winners and give some beautiful, attractive gifts for them. Now let's talk about the entertainment side. Here at Cybrosys, we never miss a chance to celebrate. We celebrate every occasions which we get, and inside the celebrations, we also include Cybro Beats. Cybro Beats is basically a fun event where 300 plus Cybrosians dance together. A sports event which we named as Technopark, and currently we are running Technopark 2.0, which is the second version. To conduct potluck parties, which we named as Suleimani. At Cybrosys, we even started a blood donation campaign, which we named as Cybro Globin. This is basically conducted in every 6 months. So we have already conducted that 3 times. After 6 months, again, we'll be conducting this Cybro Globin. At Cybrosys, we even celebrate regional festivals like Onam, Vishu, and we also celebrate Christmas, New Year, Holi, and so much more. Cybrosys, we even conduct family meetups of our Cybrosians. have Cybro trip. So it's basically an annual trip of our company. We'll be going to some resorts and all. So previous year we went to Elixir Hill, which was at the Munnar, and before that we went to Wild Planet Resort, which was at the Nilgiris. Cybrosys, we never forget to surprise the hardworking ones. We've already gifted them with Cybro Awards, giving them MacBooks, mobile phones, cars, scooters, and much more. So this is Cybrosys, and this is how a Cybrosian's life looks like. So join our team and be part of the family.